I see sheep. Go, go, go.
It was posted on
Yeah. Look, baby, they've got their names. This one's called Luke. This one's called Bubba. This one's got a coat on. This one's got It's okay. It's not food. It's not food. Hey. I see pigs.
No running.
No running. Don't scare them. See them pigs? There's a real life camel, baby. Over there.
Oh, a few of them.
Do you see it? Have you ever seen a camel before?
I love that camel.
Yeah.
What about these camels?
Can you ride them just for a second?
I don't think we ride them.
No, I don't think we can
They're
ride
so
them.
adorable.
They are.
Look at their tails, right?
Look at their backs. They got humps.
Do you know what they do with them humps? They put water in them and they store them like a giant body water bottle.
Oh.
Let me hold you.
Can you say hi to the horse? Isn't it beautiful? Hi. Look at his tongue. You are gorgeous. I wonder what your name is.
I do.
I think his name.
Henry?
Yeah.
Henry the horse. Want to see some butterflies, baby?
Do you see him?
Is it nice?
It is alive, but don't touch him. Just
You
let
mustn't touch him.
touch him. Just let him feel close.
Hi, little butterfly. Do you want to give a hug for me? You're so cute.
He's so cute.
Yeah. But we don't touch him.
Hi. Hi, butterfly.
Don't touch him.
Butterfly, are you all friends? You're my best friend ever. Let me see some kind of ice.
Whoa.
Hi, Mama.
You being a good girl? Excuse me, sorry. That's awesome. Jonathan, he's awesome.
A flower.
He doesn't want to. He likes you.
So will be so
get off his finger. There we go.
Oh.
Mama, that one's pretty.
Beautiful.
cool.
That's really cool.
You're still
He's eating the nectar.
He's feeding him. How much fun are you having?
awesome.
It is awesome, isn't it? Your first time at the fair.
Yeah, let's go get some cake now.
All right, first of all, we're gonna have some French fries, all right? What's been your favorite so far? Your favorite bit? Was it?
All of it.
All of it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Everything.
Everything. The roller coaster. That was cool. You made a friend, didn't you?
Yeah. I was fighting behind her.
Yeah, and she was so nice to you. And she waved at Mummy.
Yeah, like this.
Yeah? I'm so glad you're having fun, baby. I love the fair.
I love you. Are we getting some cake now?
What are we doing?
Drinking.
Eating and drinking. We got some French fries. Good French fry? Full. Oh, you're thirsty, huh? Where's Daddy gone?
Get some cake. Yes. This is the best place ever.
It is. Here it comes. Look. Look what Daddy got.
It's very hot. Very hot. Very hot.
Your first funnel cake. Got it? How is it?
Good.
Is it hot?
It is.
Blow on it first.
All the sugar came off. Is it delicious? Grab and take you a bite. She'll eat it all. What are we doing?
Watching some pigs. Pigs race.
How exciting is that?
Pigs all going to race here.
Yeah, they're gonna run all the way around in a circle. Oh my god, you're so cute with your little napkin around your neck. Brother, put that round your neck. That's so cute.
For the pigs.
I know, I'm excited, are you?
How you folks doing tonight? You having a good time here at the Hillsborough County Fair?
Sweet!
All right, quite a few of you. We'd like to welcome you all back to the races. For you folks that haven't seen the Robinsons racing pigs before, I'm sure you've seen one type of race or another. When you go with the dog races, the dogs, they have a mechanical rabbit that they chase around the track. When you go to the horse races, the horses, they have a jockey or a driver to guide them around the track. Well, when you go to the pig races, you don't need either one of those things. But there is one thing you do have to get a pig to race. There's one thing that will make a pig run faster than anything else. Sharon has that in her left hand. Right, it's nothing but an Oreo cookie. You see, Sharon puts one cookie in this white tray here. Tray goes down to the finish line. The pigs know the first one around the track is going to get the cookie. The louder you cheer these piggies on, the faster they're going to run, the more they're going to do to ham it up for you. So what Sharon's going to do is she's going to put numbers on them so you can tell them apart. We're going to pick out pig rooters or cheerleaders out of the audience. If we pick you and you cheer your piggy on to victory, we've got a souvenir prize on behalf of the Hillsborough County Fair. Now, Sharon's going to start with number one piggy on the inside track. Somebody want to root for number one pig? Just raise your hand. All right, not too bad. Let's give it up for number two. Got number one. Number two.
Say me,
Somebody,
me,
how about the little girl down there?
Yay! You're number two,
three.
baby.
Number two. How about right down here in lane number one? We have Lindsay Slowham. In lane number two, it's Britney Spear-ribs.
Woo!
In lane number three, we have Kim Kardashian. And in lane number four, It's Taylor, not so swift. All right, let's check out insurance section again.
Right.
Let's have for number 1, Piggy.
No, not yet, baby, not yet.
How about
not yet.
number 2?
Now.
Number 2. Give it up for number 3, Piggy. How about number 4? All right, let's smoke them pork chops.
Ready, baby?
Get
Now,
ready.
we would like to ask
We want
you
number
folks
2
over
to
there,
go, go, go.
watch out this time. These pigs had a 4 big pile up over there earlier today.
Yeah, we're shouting for number 2, okay? When it
Come on,
comes
guys,
round the
let's get
bend,
it.
we've got to look for number 2.
And they're up. Here we go with number 2.
Come on, number 2. Come on, number 2. Woo! Go, number 2.
The winner is... Number 2 is the winner.
Yay! Come on! Come on!
Around the track.
Come on! Woohoo!
Hi, you're just about fast as those piggies are. Hi, what's your name?
India wolves.
India Rose.
India Rose. I knew you were a judge of good pork when I seen you over there. India.
She knows her piggies.
Everybody, let's give her a hand, folks. for being a pig
Woo!
really good
Say
pork
thank
today.
you!
Thank you, India Rose.
Come on, let's go watch another race. Let's go.
Now,
Yay!
I'll heard stories about pigs.
This way,
Pigs have very
baby.
bad reputation.
This way.
And it's not deserved at all. I'm sure you've heard the expression, dirty as a
Show
pig.
Daddy.
Can I have ice cream?
A pig is very
Can I
clean.
have ice
It's not
cream?
good to be so.
Good job, baby.
Only reason the pig gets dirty back on the farm is they have to make a swim gland.
as she ran past.
So when it gets hot, they have. Let's give it up for the cleanest pigs in showbiz, Robinson's Battle and Porker. Let's go, swimmer. Come on, let's go.
You won.
Piggy's color. We're going to start lane number 1
Did
with
one.
red.
Daddy, I won.
All right, now we need to hear some serious cheering when they get up on that diving platform. Come on, guys, it's time to go swimming. Let's go swimming. Come on, let's go. Here we go. They're making a mirror. It's moving on. They're doing a biggie 4-stroke. Sharon's trying to get the green pig in the water here. Coming around to the cookie. Up out of the water they come. Here, folks. Red is the winner. I think we need to change it.
Hi, Piggy. You're a bit late, Piggy.